You don't have to buy an expensive bike anymore to get all that nice to have gadgets like blind spot radar detection. Do you need blind spot radar detection? You want to check this out. Hi everyone! Today we're thrilled to test and install the brand new Carpuride W702RS Pro. This model boasts all of the great features of the current Carpuride smart screens, like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, GPS navigation with voice control, including the brand new built-in radar blind spot detection for extra safety on the roads. Today, our friend Ahmed brought his stunning CF Moto 450, and Peter will be working with him to test and install the Carpuride W702RS Pro. Are you excited, Ahmed?
I am.
We'll also be offering a discount code for you to get up to 32% discount on any Carpuride model if you follow the link in the description below.
Hi Ahmed, good to meet you. Got a beautiful bike here. I really like the CF Moto. There's a lot of talk about this 450 bike, which is so popular. It's really good value for money. And yeah, we're going to look and see how we can make it even smarter with the Carpuride W702RS Pro. If you look at your bike, you got this bracket here, which is ideal. We just have to see if we will be able to fit it onto that bar. Most probably we'll have to remove, the windscreen just to get in here. You see, you got the power adapter on the side here, so we can just power it up from that socket. And then the only cable that we'll probably have to run to the back is the new RS radar, sensor. Okay, so I think let's get moving. Okay, so got a bracket here. I had to put in a lot of rubbers in here to be able to fit to that, but I think it will fit nicely. So I just have to remove the windscreen so that you can get to that bracket. Much easier now to access this and make sure we get it fitted nicely. Look how nice it fits, even on the very thin bar that you get with the CF Moto 450, fitting very nicely. Okay, so I think what we should try to get it back closer to this side, right? You get it? Probably have to put it a little bit higher. So we're taking off this panel just to get the radar sensor all the way here to the back. We want to mount it, install it. So we have to take this panel off. So here's the radar cable coming out, and we'll just have to see how we're going to mount it now. Make sure that it is aligned correctly. Very good. Okay. The time of truth. So let's see. I'm going to turn it on. Oh, there you go. Carpuride straight away. Let's go. That's it. That's good. Okay. So it will always tell you that the sound is played from the Bluetooth. The first thing you want to do, you go to your Bluetooth settings. Okay. Bluetooth. And okay. So, make it discoverable. Is it searching for Bluetooth now?
Settings.
Okay, Bluetooth. Oh, there it is. See?
Yeah.
You click on that. Say there. Very good. Pair. Done. Okay. The next one is this device uses Wi-Fi. Well, it's got its own Wi-Fi that it's set up. So you see that it goes straight to. So now we want to go into Android Auto. So it's so easy. You just say welcome to Android Auto. Continue. It's easy, huh?
Yes.
It's so easy. And now what you also have is you have all your functions that you will use, what you normally use in your phone. So you have all the apps. That's another, I don't know, what's that? Your music, what you use, yeah. Right? So it will access that. And then if you want to go out, you just click on this button there, right? And it will go to your, that's the apps that's on your phone. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Your phone's going to be in your pocket from now on. We'll have to go for a ride and test out the radar system. So let's do that next. Okay.
Let's do it. Yep.
Good, man. Okay. The proof is in the pudding now. So, I don't know. Can you pick me up already or not on the radar?
No.
Okay. If you come closer?
Yeah, now I pick you up.
Okay. Okay, and if I go to the side?
Yeah.
You pick me up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna fall back again. If you can go more to the, yeah, let me go to this side.
Yeah, picks you up.
You pick me up, right?
Yeah. If you pass me, it will appear here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Stays on until you pass me.
Oh wow, okay. That's nice. Okay, and if you come past me, it won't come on, right?
Yeah.
Because
So
yeah.
no, it doesn't appear.
Okay, but if I fall behind you, it will pick me up.
Yeah, now it appears. Yeah.
Okay.
Comes up.
That's fantastic, you know, because you will know if somebody's right on your tail.
Exactly. Yeah. No, it helped me a lot actually when I tried it on the motorway.
Oh yeah. Especially for commute, you know, when there's a lot of traffic and you have to know where the traffic is, you know.
Yeah,
This thing will help you a lot.
Absolutely.
You always,
Absolutely.
yeah. You always still do your checks, but you know your checks are for blind spot. But still, this will give you that extra insurance, you know.
Correct. Yeah, correct. Even though when you are in a situation where you are driving at the same speed like everyone around you, it will pick up those maniacs riding very fast, coming towards you from your back.
Oh yeah.
It will pick them up, and that's mainly one of the really critical reasons why this radar should be used.
Yeah, that's true.
So you can predict risks coming towards you easily. Honestly.
Yes. Oh, that's very nice. And tell me, what about the controls on the bike? Tell me a bit how your phone is now connected, your helmet, everything.
So yes, in terms of connectivity, the device is fantastic. Never had a glitch connecting the phone or the headset. You can see on the screen I'm having an incoming call right now. I can take the call, of course, but I'm not using my headset, so it won't work. But I'll just press and decline the call, and that's it. I'm back to my usual screen. And that usual screen, of course, I tried the different styles, whether you have the navigation of the music on the bottom or the side. But I like that.
Yeah.
I like that very much. I did I did try the music very extensively. I navigated through while I'm riding like this. I just can jump to another song. I did try using one of the music apps that came through the Auto, the Android Auto. I also tried another app that actually has radio channels, and it did the same thing, navigating through different radio channels. It's simply similar to navigating through songs or music tracks. So I did try all of them, and it's working fine. One of the really good features that I got is how, let me put it this way, my gloves never work on mobile phones, but it works absolutely fine here.
Oh really? Wow, so that's a good one.
That feature is, for me it's really a breakthrough.
So also because your phone is connecting to your bike system, you are able to use the navigation on your Carpuride from your bike controls.
Correct. Wow. So I tried this, and it was really surprising that the smart screen that comes with the CF Moto had always by default registered my phone and my headset. And then I found out that even with that, the phone can still register to this screen. And I get to navigate using my smart screen, the CF Moto smart screen itself, or this screen.
Okay.
So browsing music is the key one. Increasing volume, just going to next track, these kind of things, working absolutely fine by both screens. This is a really good feature.
What's very good about this Carpuride, is the size of the screen,
that's the first feature I kind of like spotted, is the size, especially for someone like me wearing glasses and struggle to read a little information, numbers. It's absolutely useful. I enjoyed the size by itself.
That's right,
Detecting both sides because there were two cars coming at the same time. No. I'm picking up the Lexus, the silver red Lexus. If I slow down, now it's picked it up. And it's still solidly picked up because it used to match my speed, like it went matching my speed a little bit. Okay.
We're gonna go left. Left at the front. The next traffic light gonna go left.
So just to summarize the features, starting with the size of the screen is very good, especially for people like me wearing glasses. And another feature that I picked up very important is living quite well with the screen, the bike screen itself, the default screen. So I can register my phone and my helmet to both, and they both work. I can navigate through both screens. The distance of detected vehicles coming towards you is really good. It's actually a very good distance. Gives you a very good confidence.
Yes.
And
it gives you enough time to react, right?
Absolutely.
If you have to react.
Yes, absolutely. The navigation on the screen is also easy, using even those cranky gloves that are of mine. And I did try using the navigating through the remote control, and it's working absolutely fine. And sometimes very handy, especially if you're on a bumpy road. It works absolutely much better. I will still try the memory card. It accepted it, it's working. I can see some files there, but we'll still work on it. Overall experience of using that is very good. I like the device. I'm not planning to even disconnect it.
I wanted to ask you, what about a quick release to get it off the bike, you know? Have you tried that?
Dealing with the key locking and unlocking. After a couple of times it becomes easy, honestly, on how to deal with it, so it's fine.
So there you have it, the all-new Carpuride W702RS Pro with radar blind spot detection. With the new quick release system, the smart screen can now be mounted on any motorcycle brand, transforming your ride into a more convenient and safer motorcycle experience. You can have all your mobile functions on your bike while your phone is in your pocket. How convenient is that? Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more videos like these or some of our motorcycle adventures. Remember to use this code with the links in the description to get up to 32% discount on any Carpuride model if you order online. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ramble on.